Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback. Now, this car is a Mach 1 tribute. It is a tribute car. It's not a real Mach 1, but that doesn't take anything away from the car on how nice this car is. Yes, this trunk is open. That door was open, so that's why I shut it right away. This car has been completely rotisserie restored. The gentleman we bought it from said that it had a nut and bolt restoration, and that's what it appears to be to us. The bottom of the car is painted red, epoxy primered, so the car has been on a full rotisserie. This is a beautiful Gulfstream Aqua 69 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback tribute. And it was done very, very well. .351 V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. I mean, you could just see everything that they did on this car. And it is a fresh restoration as well, is what I'm told. I don't think there's probably more than 300 or 400 miles on the restoration. So the paint is very, very nice. What a beautiful car. I love this color. This color is just gorgeous. I did add the rear window louvers. I think they're iconic to the 69 Mach 1, so I said they have to be there. And so did my salesman. He said, absolutely, put those on. In fact, he ordered them, so. And that's good, because I didn't even have to tell him to order them. He just said, hey, by the way, I ordered the rear window louvers for that car. So there's the underneath the car. You can see what I'm telling you. I didn't even put this car up on the hoist to take underneath pictures of it or anything, because I took pictures of it right like it sits. The whole interior is all new as well. Dash is in great shape. All the Mach 1 wood trim looks great. Visors, headliner, package tray, sail panels, dome lights. It's got speakers in the back as well. Hurst shifter, 4-speed. It's got a aftermarket AM/FM radio. I'm sure it's Bluetooth compatible as well. Door panels are all new. Seats are all reupholstered, carpet's new. Basically, you're buying a completely, I don't want to say new, but you're buying basically a new for the second time 69 Ford Mustang. The reason I'm cautious about saying things is because some people perceive things different ways, you know. I mean, yeah, the car's fully restored, but it's still a old car, you know. You don't want to tell them that and have it, tell them it's gonna drive like a brand new one and have it. Some people think these old cars are gonna drive like a brand new late model car. Up there. That's how these old cars get sometimes. They get loaded up. Both the signals work, horn works, radio works, blower motor works, windshield wiper works. Dash lights, bright headlight indicator. Sounds great too. She's got a pretty healthy engine in her. She needs to be cleaned out once in a while. We'll take her for a spin. My buddy Ron here just stopped by, and so he's going to jump in with me here for this test drive. So when we get out here, I'll make him hold the phone.
Oh, that'll work.
There you go. My salesman, that's his favorite color on these Mustangs. If you're looking for a fully restored 69 Fastback, give us a call. I'm going to price this car at $69,900, and I think that's extremely fair. I know it's a tribute, but the car has so much going for it, and it's fully restored.